Fun with Stuey!
Fun with Stuey! Today we are doing Coke versus Mentos science experiment. Okay, we have the Coke.
I cannot help. I need help.
Okay, now let's put the Coke.
First me.
No, me.
Just put carefully. I think that's enough. And
Okay.
fizz.
Okay, wait first. No. You don't need to drink it. Okay.
And give me the pink Mentos.
Okay. No. Only one. 3, 2, 1.
It's fizzy.
Oh wait, it didn't work because the gas.
Just put some more.
No, do not. Okay, fine. Let's put some.
Few more.
A few moments later. I was wet because me and Sunny, the bottle exploded off cam. Now we're gonna do another one. Right there.
And that's the taste of the Coke.
Okay. Right. 3, 2. Okay, let's put.
I want the pink one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I want to drink it.
Oh my god! Oh my shamoli! It actually tastes good. Wait, I have one experiment.
I want to show.
What? Why is it didn't work?
Because you need to put so many.
Okay, that's it. Fun with Stuey, bye, and like and subscribe my video. Fun with Stuey, bye.
And subscribe of the video. Bye.